Hello everyone, here's Euro 3D model space from Euro Model Expo 2022, and I take this occasion to present you my new product lines. And this is 3D printer protection cases built from high quality aluminum profiles and plexiglass, also with a temperature control system. As you see here, I built it for exhibition because it's relatively cold environment. It's 16 degree now, but it prints very nice. And in this case, this is one of my Sunlow S8 printers with reduced height. So I reduced it to 25 centimeters instead of original 40. And yeah, so here is temperature control system, which allows you to control the system inside the envelope, and this is of course very crucial for those who would like to print in such cold environment or would like later print some temperature sensitive filaments like EBS. Yeah, it also have very nice convenient front plate on magnets. Just click on, you cut it back. I also put it here Sunlow S1 filler dryer, and as you see, this is also my system to completely reduce the vibration. So heavy beton plate on tennis balls, which completely kills any vibrations coming from this original Sunlow S8 printer, which is not silent board, and to the table. And in this case, it also completely doesn't matter you have original or silent or not silent motherboard, and this is completely killing any vibrations you're getting to the table. Yeah. And I will also later build LED light into this protection case, and so far this is only heating, but I will also going to build a kind of ventilator which will take a cooling function. So you are welcome to get in touch with me and specify your dimensions and printer you want to build this protection case for, and we will discuss your needs and your order. You're welcome to order these protection cases from Euro 3D Model Space.